Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today I have to finally play and talk about the Minuet in C from Mozart, the A2 piece from finally the grade 1 piano exam pieces, obviously ABRSM, from the new syllabus to 2021 and 2022. I'm really happy to play and talk about this Minuet of Mozart because I love Mozart since ages. It was one of my very first rock stars ever. There are so many things that I should definitely mention about this Minuet in C. My students, so if you are my student and you are using this tutorial to simply keep in mind what you have to really mind when you study, when you practice, you should know everything. If you are quite new and maybe you don't know that much about how to play classical music and in this specific case Mozart music, I will definitely try to help as much as I can. Let's say indeed, before I play this time, I'd like to talk about a few things. Let's go to the music sheet. In Mozart, more than ever, the slurs are really important. You should definitely respect them in the way they are. Yeah, these many of these are definitely editorial decisions, because if we compare one more version of this one that is from a different publisher, you will notice that different publisher, different musicologists, different decisions. But let's now respect strictly what is written here, yeah? That anyways makes sense and is very, I mean, is fantastic. You have to respect this slur and this one. So don't connect these four notes like under the umbrella of only one big slur of four notes. I will play now these four notes as if they were with a big and long slur connecting all of them. It would have been in this way. But this is not the case. In this case, having two note slur, you have to do definitely this. And is exactly what we'll have to do here, in between the third and the fourth bar. And obviously you have to do the same here in the bar number 6, paying attention here because the slur here is ending on the D sharp. Then in the beginning of the second part, same situation. Let's play also these ones. Here it will be. You see, I play the G at the end of the second last bar, first of all with the thumb, then immediately T-dum. Here you can confirm the second for the F sharp. Now back to the music sheet. Also here you will have to respect the slurs, yeah? Okay? On one side I should say that this masterpiece, composed by a child, we should say, because he was really a child when he composed this piece, Mozart, is so well composed that the rhythmical structure of the first part is repeated in the second one with obviously different notes in the second part. It's considered like A, B, but we have in terms of structure, yeah, if you are a bit bigger and you're into the analysis of the music sheet, with the second part of the, let's say, the second block of 4 bars of the first part that is played also at the end of the last block, but one perfect fifth lower. Pay attention to every single thing that you notice on the music sheet. Regarding the notes that don't have any slur, according to the style, they should be played with a portato. And I have been already talking about the portato. The portato is something that is exactly in between the legato and the staccato. The legato would ask you to play, the end is exactly what happened in the slurs. The legato asks you to connect all the notes, no gap in between them. The staccato asks you to play them detached, so you shorten the sound. In general, the simple staccato would require half of the length of the notes in terms of sound. So the sound should be shortened up to half of the length to make it easy, simple when you study it. Yeah? When you play, it's obvious that according to the speed, it's almost impossible to check that you're really holding down for half. But indeed, it's about the practice, the study itself. The portato, I was saying, is in between, and it occurs when there is nothing on top of the notes, especially in the classical style. Which ones are the portato notes in this case, in this version of the Minuet? I would play these ones with the portato attitude. These ones, maybe. Yeah? Obviously the left hand notes. These ones. On a version published by a different publisher, these bars, so this one, are featured in a different way with a big slur on top. Big slur. Now it's time to play it. Now I want to play the same one, obviously. I want to play it slower. This music obviously is very complicated if you want to really respect the slurs, the touch, this very simple but strict difference between the piano and the forte, but that anyways, let's also remember that in this classical style, the sound was never really so aggressive like could be, for example, in a romantic piece or in a contemporary piece. The piano that they were using was completely different. Try simply to respect as much as you can the music sheet, play exactly what you see, and remember how important it is to respect the slurs and to play when there is nothing on top of the notes connected to the notes. Try to play with that kind of portato that is a middle way, something in between the staccato and the legato. Then respect strictly the fingering as well, because the fingering is the key for really playing very well this music. By respecting the fingering, you will respect even more the slurs. Okay? So if you simply do exactly what I've told you, stick to the music sheet, respect everything, pay attention, focus your attention, and then you will definitely succeed playing it. I don't think that there is anything else that should be mentioned today about this amazing Minuet of Mozart. Thank you very much for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done before, and see you in the next video. Bye.